Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have a follow-up. I'm gonna try to link this on the end of that that other video, but if I don't, then I will put it in the description box to what I'm talking about. Okay, so I get up at well, my alarm clock goes off at 4:15 in the morning. I usually only get up about 4:30. And even on my days off, I let it go off. And there's something satisfying about turning it off and turning it back over and going to bed. So, but this morning, when my alarm clock went off, I got on up because I had an idea of what I wanted to do with this Moterm one. So when I got this, I said I was just going to wait, and use it maybe 6 months down the road after, I kind of get tired of using this one. But it came to me, it's like, well, what if I can put them together? So I don't know if this is going to work out. I'm just going to try it, and I thought I would share. All right, so, normally you would put the band across the middle. So I thought maybe I put the band long ways. It does work that way. But you have to figure out what you're gonna do with the charms. Um, Now it will fit in here, but it'll pucker this out, and I don't want it to misshapen this. And so I could put the charms at the top. I could take the charms off, but I kind of like that it dangles at the end like this. So I thought that I would try this. Now, hopefully it didn't get damaged or get pulled or something in my purse. I don't think it will, but so let me show you what I did. So I took, oh, it scratched up a little bit. So that's that. So that, it's got to come out of there. That paper clip. Okay, that's gone. Because, I know this is going to get scratched up and worn and stuff like that, but, this wasn't on there yesterday. So anyway, normally, you would have this band going this way, but I went ahead and put this notebook on the first band. So you have like 4 bands in here. So I put this notebook on the first band, and I put this notebook on the last band. I'm not married to this, but I thought that this would be interesting to use. I picked this up and I thought it was just, I thought it was just a regular notebook. But then when it got here, I was like, oh, so this is a dated calendar. Or maybe I did know and I just forgot. But anyway, this is so tiny. I am going to try to use that, but I am definitely going to have my readers on in order to use it. And that is just killing my vanity. All right. And then you have this. It's really cute and look like it would be useful. And then back here, you got this. And then you go into the weeks. So this started last summer. And so your weeks, I am all the way up here now. Let's see. December. Yeah. So here we go. I only used it one day. Well, look like I used it 2 days last week. So you have the weekly and then you have blank pages, which, you could decorate it or you could keep finishing your thought from over here. So I didn't do anything with the one from last week because I'm just now starting it, So anyway, so that's what I thought I'd do with that. And again, I got it going to the side. Now this one I think was actually made, to go to the side like that. And so I have this on the band. No, you can't put it in there. And then, so I have this one that's going, that's in this front band. And then I had like four notebooks in here. So the last one, it was a little bit too big anyway, but it didn't bother me. It had just a tiny bit of overhang, but it was too juicy for this whole setup. So I went ahead and took it out. So now all I have left is I have this coffee one, which I haven't used yet. I did those stamps, and I love, what's his name? Tim Holtz stamp sets. They just stamp so nice and clean. And, okay, so I only did a few. But look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love his stamps. Okay, and then this is also a Tim Holtz stamp set. So this one I have been using. Let's see. Let's get to a blank page. See, even on craft paper, isn't that pretty? And I have gotten to where I really like this craft paper. I was just trying it, but I think I'm definitely going to start ordering this because I like it. So I only did a few of those. And then there's this one that this is actually a traveler's notebook. And then these are the stickers that I got. Let's see, I don't think I did. Oh, so this one is a weekly calendar. Nope, this is the monthly. All right. Let's see, I've been using this. All right, so that's just my work schedule. And there's nowhere to like write or anything like that, except for, there's a few note pages in the back. All right, and then I have some stickers here, one little sticker here, one there. And the only complaint I can see so far is that this sometimes will flip up, and I have to come back and push that back down. Let's see. There's not doing it now, but sometimes it'll flip up like this, and then I have to put it back down. But that's, just a minor irritation. And let's see. This is the little card it came with. And then I'll probably do something else with that, but for the time being, that can live there. And then I got this in one of my boxes. I think it's supposed to be for swatches, but I don't have this particular ink, so I just put it there for decoration. And, oh, I got my pencil board. I really like that one. And then it's just coincidence that it matches. So, and then I got some more Coffee Monsters Co. stickers. I really love her stuff. So, there we go. And then, just so happened, I got this pen in a mystery box yesterday, and it works really well with this. So, I stuck it in there, and I turned the clip toward the elastic side, and it works really well. So I thought that I would share that. So it is just a little bit too big, but it doesn't bother me at all. And then you got, let's see, get this to dangle right. Oh, I didn't close it. That's why. Okay. Okay. And then I could slip another pen there, but I'm just going to do it like this for a while. Okay, and then I got this from Portland Leather Goods. And so I thought that I would show what I'm doing with this. Now, this little mini book came from Archer and Olive. Let's see. And this is basically just going to be a brain dump. And I went ahead and just put one of their, I think this was a freebie. But anyway, I put one of their acrylograph pens here. And this doesn't actually go with this, but you know how this normally would be used to close this? I just put it here to kind of secure it to this, and it works. It's okay. I mean, you know, it's not the greatest, but I like it. It doesn't bother me. All right, and so this, I thought that I would show you what I finally did with this. So this is my Chic Sparrow. I had thought that I could put this in here. Even though this is rings, I thought because the rings were very small that it might fit in there. It doesn't, like, at all. But I got some, a couple of notebooks yesterday, and they actually fit in here and they fit well. So that's what's gonna go in there. And then this one, I got this from I think Goulet Pen sent this one. I mean, there's nothing special about this, but they fit well now. All right, and then I thought that I would share what's in my pen roll. So I have all of these pens are inked up except for this one, and that's just a matter of time. I'm going to be inking that up. So this is my Conklin pen. I love this pen. It has ink in it that maybe I should show you the inks that I have in it. Now this little carton, I think I got this from Michael's or Joann's, one of them. And I had no idea that I was going to outgrow this fast. I really thought that I was only going to have a couple of inks because I'm not all that into inks. But I'm already outgrowing it. Like, I got 2 or 3 more inks coming, and it's not going to fit, as you can see. All right. But right now, until I figure something else out, let's see. What's in there is this one. And it matches really, really well. I love it. I love this pen. And I love that ink. Let's see. So this is the Conklin pen. So you can see a little bit of shimmer. But this is a fine nib, so you're not going to get much. But I thought that I would share that one because I love it so much. And then this one, I think I've shown you guys this one. And I love this one too. I love the shimmer on this one. And then this one as well. I never thought I liked these kinds of pens, but you can see the pink. I hope you can see the pink in that. And then I actually had to ink this up recently because I thought it was going to be a long time before I have to ink this up, but I did. And then this one, all of these are going to be my inked pens, but I had to put this one in because it has to sit next to that one. It just has to. You know, they're brother and sister, and this one too. And so this is really pretty. I love it, and I'm trying to decide what ink I want to put in that. All right, and then we have my babies. This is the Vanishing Point ones. This is my favorite, absolute favorite. And this one is okay, but I think I actually like this one better than this because this is a medium. I don't know. I'm not a medium girl, but I'm trying. I'm trying to appreciate it. All right, and then we got 2 Schaeffers. These are nice. This one is very heavy, but I like these. And then this is a Monte Verde. I really like how it looks. Now it's nice. It writes nice too, but I honestly bought it for the look. And then you have Old Faithful here, Lamy, and this is blue ink in there. And then I have my TWSBI. I like it. I think I got this in medium. It's kind of ooh, I'm kind of getting low on that ink. But I'm not a medium person, but it's okay. I like it. All right, and that is pretty much all I had to share today, guys. I just love, love, love. I don't know why I waited so long to get this. I know why, because I didn't like the buckle, but the buckle gives me an excuse to do all the crunching. I just love that crunch. I know that's so silly, but I do. All right, guys, that is all I had to share today. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.